Hey guys, so yeah, I wanted to do a quick unboxing of a new thing from DJI, which has just come out on the, I believe it was the 6th of September. Managed to go to the DJI shop, which is in my city, and they happen to have one of these in stock. You can see maybe through on the bag what this might be. Absolutely fresh. Thought open this together, and it is the new DJI Neo, which is like their ultra small pocket form, effectively camera drone. I currently have one of the DJI Mini 4 Pres, but this looks very pocketable, or at least small enough to be able to take on holiday. But this is the front. It's the Flymore Combo. Usual DJI branding around the box. And some basic information. And again, some information on what's in the pack. You basically get the drone itself. You get 3 batteries, propeller guards, spare propellers, a screwdriver, a USB cable, remote control, and a charging hub, and some manuals. So, you can see, not open at all. Okay, that's the first bit of the box. Let's see what's in here. It's your 3 batteries. Oh, sorry, 2, because I'm guessing one's in the aircraft. There's your charger. Now, I don't have it to hand, but if you compare this to the Mini 3 Pro batteries and charging unit, this is considerably smaller. I believe as well, unlike some of the other ones, when you plug this in to charge, this actually charges all 3 at the same time rather than concurrently kind of going through them. So we have a Lightning to USB-C connector for those of you who don't have the later iPhones with the USB-C. And then just a normal USB-C to USB-C. A cool little DJI screwdriver. Although, to be honest with you, if I was going to be working on my drone, I wouldn't be using this. I'll probably use my own kit. So that's everything from there. Now, what should we take next? Let's take this. Leave the best bits till last. I've got the manuals. Open it up. I'm not going to go through these, but I'm assuming some DJI stickers, which is nice. A whole plethora of manuals, which, let's face it, we're going to be a typical guy and not going to actually read them unless needed. Right, let's take out the controller. Okay, so I was hoping I could use this with my Mini 3 Pro RC remote, but I'm not sure I can actually. So I got this, which I'm assuming, because I haven't used one of these for a while, part of this pulls out. Yep, that's where your phone goes. There's also a cable in there. I'm not quite sure where the... there they are. So the bottom bit, take those out. Well, I'll do them for another time, but take those out, attach to there. Phone, including cable or tablet, I'm assuming, maybe, mounted on top. Job's a good one. And I guess the bit that we've all been waiting for and would like to have a little go at is the drone itself. God, it's so tiny. When I was in the store waiting, I had a little look at the one on the display, and I was absolutely blown away with how small it was. I mean, it literally does fit in the palm of your hand. I'm assuming these are the guards that come with it, which I believe they come off some way or another. Yep, just click them. And then, there you go. They say, from what I was looking online, 13 minutes without these guards, and apparently by putting these on it uses an extra minute. Not quite sure, we'll find out at some point soon. But anyway, that exposes the actual propellers themselves. You can see there, they're held on by 2 screws. You've got your 2 landing sensors here, which is going to be good for landing on the palm, or assisting with that. Obviously there are no other sensors around there. There's no SD card. This has got a built-in 22GB storage, so once you've used it, you need to offload it to whatever medium that you're going to store it on. And then with this, I'm assuming it just comes off like that. And with this, the stabilization is digital, I believe, as in you can't remove the camera that way at all. You've got full vertical and full under whatever the word is for it. Yeah, so let's have a look. Charge the battery before using it for the first time. Let's break the rules and see if it's got any juice in it. Nope. There is nothing in there, so it's definitely going to need a bit of a charge. So that's that. I'm going to be putting this on the charge in a minute with 3 batteries in, and then I'm going to take it out, have a little play with it, and I'm going to maybe even do a comparison video to the Mini 3 Pro, just so you guys can see for the video. I'm more interested in the photography elements of these. Like video is nice to do and stuff, but I much prefer like aerial photos, like in the cities and on holidays and such. And yeah, this is a 1/2 inch sensor camera. When you compare it to the Mini 3 Pro, it's a 1 inch, but I think you should still be able to get some pretty decent still pictures out of this, plus the modes as well. I'm going to experiment, maybe use it on the motorbike as well, see if I can get it to follow. I think it's only got a top speed of about 13-14 mile an hour, maybe a little bit more, don't quote me, but it would be interesting to see if that works. So also included are 2 spare propellers. I don't know if you can probably see them in there, but there's also the screws for attaching them. And that's your lot. So this is the new DJI Neo. We'll let you know how I get on with it. And yeah, hopefully I'll be able to put some more videos up soon. Cheers.